So guys, for the first step, we're going to go to settings. We're going to go to settings. Now we're going to scroll down and then click on game settings. Now once you're on this, make sure that your PS2 upscaler has been set to off, and also your smoothing has also been set to off. Make sure you have both these options on off. Now we're going to go back. We're now going to go down to video settings. Now once we're here, we're going to find 1080p 24Hz outputs. We're going to scroll down till we find 1080p 24Hz output. You want to click on this. Make sure that you have this one turned off. Now we're going to scroll down till we find display settings. Here it is. You want to click on this, display settings. Make sure that your cross color reduction filter has been set to off. Make sure that you have RGB full range on limited. Make sure that you have super white on off. Make sure that you have deep color output on off. Now we're going to go up. We're going to click on video output settings. You want to select your connector. Now you want to click on custom. Now this is only if you want to. You can go with 720p. So if you want to, you can untick 1080p and you can go with 720p. It's up to you though, so you can just test this out. You can test out 720p and 1080p. For me, I'm just going to stay on 720p, so I turned off 1080p. Now we're going to scroll to the right and then click on X again and then finish. So for me, my current output resolution is now 720p. Now once you do all of this, this should now fix your FPS.